Salamu ya asubuhi.
Nzuri.
Good morning guys, it's Clinton here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in case you are new here, please consider to do subscribe. You can also turn on the notification bell so that any video you're going to make, you're not going to miss it. And guys, in our today's video, I'm coming live and clear from our village, our beautiful village. This is how it looks like. So green, so beautiful, and that's what I love. So guys, in our today's video, I'm in our farm, and we are going to do harvesting of our maize farm. You can see on the other side we have a maize farm. That's where I'm heading to, and maybe do harvesting. It's harvesting season here in the village. Like you can see down here, we have harvested some finger millets, and today we are going to harvest corn or maize on the other side. So come along. Actually, you can see I have a slasher, so I'm going to use this slasher to remove a stick that I'm going to use when I harvest. So come along. So this is a beautiful day, guys. It's actually early in the morning, but it's a cloudy day. You can see it's cloudy all around. So I want to use this slasher to take a stick that I'm going to use to harvest corn. Like you can see. And there's one thing here in Africa, or let me be specific, here in our village in Kenya, people usually harvest by the use of hands. Yeah. So these are some of the things that are going to assist us maybe do harvest. Like I'm going to use this slasher to sharpen this stick. Yeah, like this. Yeah. So this is what I'm going to use to harvest the maize or the corn. Yeah. So use the sharp tool like this to cut it into, yeah. See. And now let's go. Come along. My cameraman uses a nail. Yeah. Ama, kuna nail. So guys, this is what I'm going to use to harvest. So come along, I show you. Hey, good morning there. Can you wave to the camera? Okay, we are on YouTube. So guys, I think my sisters have already started harvesting. So come along, I just show you before we start harvesting. I'm going to put my slasher here. So guys, you can see. Actually, my sisters have already started harvesting. You can see even this other side, they have harvested. So we are going to continue with the process. Yeah. This is how the farm looks like from this side. Hey, mambo, uko poa? So guys, that is how the farm looks like from that view or that angle. Now we're going to start harvesting. You can see these are some of the corns which have already been harvested. And now come along, I show you how we do harvest. Yeah. Upande gani? Unaweza salimia watu kwa kamera niko YouTube. Nataka niweke vile tunavuna, naweza wawezia tu kwa kamera. Yeah. Nataka kuanzia nini? Salamu ya asubuhi.
Nzuri.
Yeah, he's great. He's saying that he's okay, he's doing well. So guys, I just want to show you how we do harvest. Like for example, come along. You can see these are corn. So this is how this stick works. You do it this way, and then we're going to throw it somewhere. Yeah. So come this other side. I don't know. This is how we do it, guys. Kutoka hapa chini. Kwa chini kuna stairs. So this is how we work out, guys. Then you remove it and throw it there. And guys, after we have harvested or removed the corn from the stalk, we fold it in this manner so that it cannot maybe bring some kind of distraction when you are moving around. Wow, this one is not okay. I'm taking another one. So guys, ensure you give the video a like, and also if you haven't subscribed, consider to do so, because we have amazing videos coming out for you guys. And we are here to show you the reality of things out here, bring you more of traveling videos, and also explore different cultures, as well as give you this kind of village videos, so you can get to know maybe how people live out here, get to experience different kind of life. Yeah. And also you need to be observant when you're working out. For example, come along and show them. We had a maize stalk or a maize stalk which had fallen down. So you need to be very, very observant when you're doing this. So you remove it. You see we have some corn here as well. Yeah. See this? Yeah. Live here in the village. Yeah. Let us know what you think about this video. Yeah. Do you usually use this kind of tools when you're harvesting your countries, or you simply use machines entirely? Yeah? I can simply say here in Africa we are not much mechanized, but we use what we have. Yeah. So guys, we are finally here. As you can see, this is where we are coming from. Maybe you can show them. Yeah? So guys, that is where we are coming from, and we are still on with the job. Actually, I came here at around 9 a.m. in the morning, but the local time here in Kenya now is around 11 a.m. in the morning. You can imagine, for almost 3 hours, we are still in our farm. This to tell you that this farm is kind of big. Yeah? So guys, officially we are done harvesting. Maybe you can show them from behind there. Yeah, we are done. Yeah, I'm doing the last. Maybe this is the last corn I'm getting from our farm. And here we go. So come along. And, so guys, we started this job at around 9 a.m. in the morning, but now it's around 12 noon. Yeah, it's actually midday. And we have been doing this job together with my sisters and one of my friends who are harvesting. You can now see the area that we have actually covered. Now is the harvesting of the corn or maize. We usually take this. You know, these stalks can be used as animal feeds, and also in our village some people use them as firewood. And also you can use it when you want to prepare some compost manure. You can use this kind of you see this kind of remains. Yeah, you can use them to make manure, and also use it as firewood as well as animal feed. And you can see these are some of the corns we have harvested. These are some of the corns, guys, we have harvested from our farm. And this is just to tell you that village life is very, very cheap. Life here in the village is very cheap because some of the things you don't need to buy, to maybe buy from the shops. Maybe you can simply buy stuffs that are processed, like maybe we have the oil, the cooking oil, the sugar and the salt. But these are things like bananas, corn, and also millet. We usually get them from our farm. Yeah.